Welcome to DJM TV, where you get latest news updates. If today is your first time seeing our videos, you are at the right channel, and we promise not to disappoint you, as we are here to update you on all trending and latest news. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and you are welcome on board. Please share, comment and like our work, as this gives us the strength and ability to carry on with our good work. Let's get into the main news as it day hot. News number 1. Court adjourns Ize-Iyamu N700M fraud case to July 14, 2020. The presiding judge of a federal high court in Benin City, Edo State, Justice Umar Garba, on Tuesday adjourned to July 14 the 700 million naira fraud case leveled against the governorship candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Osagie Ize-Iyamu. The APC governorship candidate was absent in the court due to alleged ill health. Ize-Iyamu and 4 others, who are standing trial over an alleged N700M fraud case preferred against them by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, were supposed to appear before the court on Tuesday. Counsel for the first defendant, Charles Edo San, told the judge that his client, Ize-Iyamu, could not make it to the court as he was indisposed. He prayed the judge to allow him to present the certificate of his ill health as certified by his medical doctor to the court. The judge, having listened to the counsel for the first defendant, adjourned the case till July 14, 2020, for hearing. In suit No. FHC BE21C 2016, the anti-graft agency had filed 8-count charges against the accused persons bordering on alleged illegal receipt of public funds to the tune of N700M for the 2015 general elections. The court had in its last sitting on June 18 validated the corruption charges against the defendants and adjourned the case till July 7 for further hearing. The other defendants are a former state chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Dan Obi, the incumbent chairman, Tony Azebemi, a former deputy governor of Edo State, Lucky Imasuen, and Efe Erimoga Anthony. News number 2. Alleged N700M fraud, I am sick, Edo APC candidate, Ize-Iyamu tells court. A federal high court sitting in Benin City has adjourned the trial of Osagie Ize-Iyamu, along with others, due to his ill health. Others are ex-Edo People's Democratic Party (PDP) chairman, Dan Obi, his successor, Tony Azebemi, ex-Edo Deputy Governor, Lucky Imasuen, and Efe Erimoga Anthony. Ize-Iyamu is the All Progressives Congress (APC) governorship candidate in Edo State. The court had on June 18 validated the corruption charges against the defendants, and, therefore, adjourned the case until July 7 for hearing. All 5 are being tried on money laundering charges filed against them by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). The defendants are accused of receiving public funds to the tune of N700 million for the 2015 general elections. They allegedly conspired and committed the offense in March 2015 by taking possession and control of the funds without any contract award. On Tuesday, Charles Edo San, Ize-Iyamu's lawyer, told the court that his client was absent because he was currently indisposed. Edo prayed the judge to allow him to present the certificate of ill health as certified by his medical doctor. Justice Mohammed Garba Umar, after listening to the counsel, adjourned the case until July 14 for hearing. Thank you for all your time listening to us. Thanks for all your love and support. Bye for now. DJM TV.